Hey y'all, my name is automatically Anna, not Anna, and I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. This is my very first YouTube video, so I'm excited. Can I get some confetti? I can't edit that. Let's just do applause. Okay, now we can talk about the elephant in the room. Now you guys have probably seen me on Pinterest before. Yeah. Huh? You had to speak up. You said that was when I had long faux locks, and now I'm bald headed with real locks. Not too much. Not too much. Next video will be a 1-year retrospective of my lock journey because right now I'm at 11 months. So not to sound like a broken record because I'm broke already. We're just gonna get into the video. Here I am coming in smooth with the voiceover. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, so the first thing I did was take my locks out of the scarf and moisturize it a little bit. I like to do this like in half, like split my locks in half because it's just, I don't know, it's just easier to manage, all these inches. I can't even sit down without sitting on my locks, so it's like really hard for me. So I'm starting off with some island oil, and this is from Jamaican Mango and Lime. I've been using this since I first started my locks, no complaint. All the old lock heads said use Jamaican Mango and Lime. Baby, I'm a follower, so I listened. And then I'm coming in with some Miel or Miel, I don't actually know how to say it, rosemary mint scalp oil, and I'm putting that obviously on my scalp because I know how to follow instructions. I'm using this before they change their formula, just fingers crossed because I really do love this product. Then I'm going in with some Thank God It's Natural Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. This has shea butter and vitamin E. Okay, I didn't know this was an acronym. And for the longest time, me and my sister was like, Tijin. And everyone was like, what are you talking about? But yeah, it's an acronym. I use a really, really small amount on my locks because I really don't want buildup. Lock lieutenants, please don't come for me. Okay, I'm trying my best. All right, we're coming up on lucky number 1. This is number 1 because it's my favorite style to do. So basically you're going to take your hair in a low bun, you're going to pull that elastic through and then push the bun so it's up towards the sky, touching the Lord. Praise him. Anyway, and then you're going to pull out a few locks and then it'll look like this, like kind of messy and like elegant, but at the same time, perfect. Every time I come out the house in this style, it's like, ladies, please, I know I look good, but one at a time. Now here you may observe me in the wild with defeat in my eyes. I went to the gym, so my arms are already really tired, but it's basically the style we just did, but kind of moved the buns up so they're kind of on the top of your head. This one I wear to class all the time. I feel like it's so cute, it's so easy, it's so simple, yet it's like my thing, All right, for this style, you're gonna split your hair in half and have that front section up. And you're just gonna do the same thing with, I keep saying the same thing, but it's buns, man. We're doing buns. Okay, you're gonna do a bun on the top of your head. I honestly hate this, I'm not gonna lie. I don't wear this very often because I can never get them to look the same. Like you look at my face, I'm screaming on the inside, but I'm like, keep it cute, girl, keep it cute, because I'm not gonna refilm this. I'm trying not to laugh because I'm like, I'm about to lose it. Anyway, I got them look kind of cute. It's not my favorite, but you know what? I love it on other people, just not me. Now, you will never guess what this next... Yes, you will, because it's in the thumbnail of this video. Never mind. We're doing Bantu knots. To me, of course, Bantu knots are buns, if we're getting technical, but do not be like, little space buns? Are those space buns in your head? Cute little space buns? These are Bantu knots. We all know what Bantu knots are. This is so not complicated, but time consuming. And as I've noticed on locks, if I want to spend time on my hair, I want to spend time on my hair. If I want it to be fast, I want it to be fast. So I was getting frustrated. My locks, they weren't locking. They weren't. I don't know if I offended them last night, if I said something rude to them. If I did, guys, I'm sorry. But they were just not working with me with this style. but I pushed through because I'm a professional, a semi-professional. I'm a rookie in training, but I'm getting there, okay? So I kept the face on, I kept it going. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look how I sighed. I was so over this. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I chose this, but I'm not gonna refilm this. I refuse. I'm sorry. I'm lazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm lazy. I try to put on a smile, but you can see in my soul. I hate the energy that it takes, but it's cute. Thank y'all so much for watching my little video. Make sure you click that little bell. This is a bell. Click that little bell so you won't miss the next time I upload.